friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you step by step how to prepare a delicious mole verde at home. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Ingredients: 1 garlic clove, salt to taste, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds. I have here cilantro, tomatillo, stallions, 1 zucchini, spinach, a poblano chile. This is what you need to make this delicious green mole at home, of course. And over here I have drumsticks, chicken bouillon, 1 garlic clove, and 2 bay leaves. This is everything you need to enjoy this delicious and amazing mole at home. So let's get started. I want to start with my chicken. I have here chicken bouillon, 1 garlic cloves, and 2 bay leaves. And of course, my chicken has been already rinsed and dried, and now I am ready to take it to the stove. I have already some water boiling, and I am going to start adding one by one. This is the part I really like. I like first getting the water nice and hot and nice and boiling before I add the chicken inside. I'm going to add one by one, and then I am ready to start adding the bay leaves, 2 bay leaves, the garlic cloves, and the chicken bouillon. I'm going to go ahead, add it in here, and I am going to cook it in medium heat for about 30 minutes. I'm going to cover it, and I'll see you back in 30 minutes. 30 minutes have passed, and look, it's nice and cooked, not all the way, but you know something, I'm gonna let it cook in the green mole. So I'm gonna get everything out completely, and I'm gonna reserve the chicken broth. I have my poblano chili that I'm going to roast right on the fire, right on top of the stove. I'm gonna roast it completely so that when I am ready to take the skin off, it comes out very easily. Once you roast your poblano chili just like this, get ready a bag so that you could put it inside the bag and it could start getting nice and moist like in a sauna. Leave it in there just for a couple minutes, and it's gonna get really nice and soft, and the skin you'll be able to remove very easily. I have my veggies here, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse one by one. You know that this part takes time, but you know something, this is very important. You gotta rinse all your veggies. Once these are done, let me see how the poblano is done. The poblano is now just at room temperature, and it's very easy to take the skin off. Look at this. I'm gonna go ahead and just start taking all the skin off completely until I am completely done. Once this is done, I'm gonna start getting all the seeds out. Look at this. I'm gonna get all the seeds out because I don't want none of the seeds to go into my green mole mixture. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take all the seeds out and add this delicious poblano to the rest of the ingredients. I have my zucchini here, which I'm gonna take the heads off, and then I'm just gonna cut it in 4 pieces so that I could add it to my blender. The same thing I'm going to do with my stallions. I'm just gonna cut them in half and get them ready. I have now everything ready. I have my blender here, my cup, and I'm gonna start adding all the veggies in here. Look at this. This green mole comes out so good and so delicious that I know you guys are going to love it. I'm gonna add everything here, and I am going to add the spinach, the cilantro, I'm going to add the pumpkin seeds and the sesame seeds. Those are the I would say the best of the ingredients, you know. When you make this type of mole, those are the ingredients that you really need for it to get such a delicious flavor. I'm adding a garlic clove, adding a little bit of salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. And now I have the chicken broth here, and I'm just gonna add enough so that it mixes and blends completely. Let's go and blend it. We are going to blend it for about 3 to 4 or 5 minutes until everything is nice and smooth, just like this. Remember, if you want it thicker, want it a little more runny, you add more chicken broth. I added a little bit of vegetable oil on the bottom, and now I am ready to start adding the chicken. One by one, I'm gonna let it cook in medium heat for about 30 minutes. The color of the mole is a bright green, but after 30 minutes, it turns into a dark green. Look at this. It's really thick. Like I said, if you don't want it too thick, just add some more chicken broth. That's to desire. And now 30 minutes have passed, and look at these. They are completely done. This mole is done. My home smells amazing, and I can't wait to start enjoying it. Well, here I'm gonna add some pieces, and let me show you how they look. Of course that I'm gonna add just a little bit of sesame seeds on the top for the decoration. I have my plate here, and I am ready to just add a little bit of sesame seeds, and I can't wait to enjoy. So I'll see you in just a little bit. With this delicious green mole made at home with lots of love. But this is the part I really love and enjoy. Of course, you could combine it with white rice or just eat this delicious mole with tortillas like I'm gonna do today. I have a very soft corn tortilla that I'm going to dip in this delicious mole. You know something? This mole made at home is amazing. Excuse me. The chicken is so tender. The sauce, the mole, you know something? The mole is just perfection. It's nice and thick. All those delicious flavors, the combination. You know something? I can't stop eating this delicious green mole. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. Make it at home. You are going to love this delicious green mole. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious green mole at home. Give it a try, my friends. I know you're going to love it. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.